Feeling annoyed, stressed, or just completely off? Give me 15 seconds, because these 3 simple brain tricks can help shift your mood fast. And no, you do not need motivation, a perfect morning routine, or an hour of meditation. You can start right where you are. Your brain constantly responds to what your body does, where you focus, and what signals you give it. So let us use that. First, change your facial expression. Even if you do not feel happy, gently smile for a few seconds. Yes, it might feel ridiculous at first, but changing your facial muscles can send feedback to your brain that can influence how you feel. It is not magic, but it can be a useful reset. Try holding that gentle smile for about 15 seconds. Do not force a giant grin. Just relax your face and let the expression change. Now the second trick, change your breathing. When you are stressed, your breathing can become fast and shallow. So slow it down deliberately. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Let your body expand naturally instead of rushing. Then slowly breathe out. Make the exhale comfortable and controlled, and let your shoulders relax. This gives your nervous system a different signal. Slow down. You are safe enough to pause. Even a few calm breaths can help you feel more settled. Now for the third trick, change what your attention is locked onto. When you are in a bad mood, your brain can keep searching for more evidence that everything is terrible. Instead, look around and find 5 things you can see: a cup, a pencil, a book, a clock, a plant. Now pick one object and actually notice it. Look at its shape, texture, color, or tiny details you normally ignore. You are basically giving your brain a new channel to process. Instead of endlessly replaying the problem, you are bringing your attention back to the present. And here is where the 3 tricks become powerful together. Smile, slow your breathing, then shift your attention. Imagine you are having one of those awful moments where everything feels irritating. Your phone is buzzing, your tasks are piling up, and your patience is gone. Before reacting, catch yourself. You only need a few seconds to interrupt the automatic pattern. Put the phone down. Start your 15-second reset. Relax your face, take a slow breath, and focus on something around you. You might notice that nothing outside you has magically changed, but your response to it can start changing. And that matters because your attention is powerful. What you repeatedly focus on can shape the experience you are having right now. You are not pretending that problems do not exist. You are simply giving your brain a moment to stop reacting automatically. Think of these tricks as a quick reset, not a cure for every bad mood or serious emotional problem. And just like physical exercise, small mental habits can become easier with practice. The more you practice noticing your state, the sooner you can choose a different response.